This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
As we all know, Uber is one of the leading transportation services in the world. They have come up with such a disruptive idea and expanded so extensively around the world. It is actually breathtaking. Founder and CEO Travis Kalanick, he became CEO in 2010. They secured 1.25 million in seed funding and launched. And having a launch one-day trial in Paris, France, and in 2010, Uber Cab officially changed name to Uber. Now, I will be talking in the next video about the hack Uber has actually used, which is very interesting to know. Now, as you might have used Uber, I quite use Uber quite extensively, and such a brilliant idea. Now, at this moment, company is actually valued at $17 billion. So let's see what went behind the scenes to reach at this scale, and what were the problems, if any. And we will talk about that in the coming video, which is the Uber hack. Stay tuned. Bye for now. See you soon.